Welcome dear student, chemistry by Viral sir in next episode number 4 surface chemistry. In last episode हमने डिस्कस किया था कि what is the adsorption, what is the desorption and what is the sorption. हमने पूरा एक क्लासिफिकेशन देखा था in which we will find that the phenomenon what is adsorption. Adsorption phenomenon के लिए हमने एक चीज़ नोटिफाइड किया था कि basically on the surface of adsorbate molecules are attracted and retained, and then its concentration becomes increases, and finally you will find that basically total surface of adsorbent becomes covered by adsorbent molecules, and that phenomenon we will consider as adsorption. ADSORPTION. The similarly desorption is totally opposite phenomenon, that we will find that the adsorbent molecule on the surface of adsorbate which becomes evaporate, release, leave the surface due to increase temperature or decrease pressure. That phenomenon which is totally opposite than that of adsorption is called desorption. Now today we will find that the difference between adsorption and absorption, ABSORPTION, and both the phenomenon takes place at a time or simultaneously, it will find as sorption. So here you will find that in earlier case we will find that how adsorption takes place. Now we will find how absorption takes place. Suppose we will take one surface on which some molecules are present like this. You can understood this is the first layer, layer 1 or the surface layer, and in which you will find that in the bulk many molecules or atoms or particles are present in this way. According to figure, जैसे मैंने फिगर में आपको बताया है कि ये जो layer 1 है, that layer 2, that layer 3, many layers are there, in which you will find that some gaseous molecules like CO2, SO2 or whatever it is attracted towards this surface molecule, and it is combined with this on this, it is attracted, and its concentration becomes increases on the surface molecules only. That we will consider as absorption. हम उसको एब्जॉर्प्शन बोलेंगे क्योंकि ये टोटल सरफेस कवर हो जाएगा. टोटल सरफेस ऑफ सॉलिड आर कवर्ड, फुल्ली कवर्ड विद द adsorbent molecules. But now what happened that before increase the concentration, और ये पूरा सरफेस कवर होने से पहले this gaseous molecules can also enter into inside the bulk के अंदर भी it becomes sprayed and take some chemical reaction, and you will find here that it's mixed with the uniform mixture. वो पूरे बल्क में uniformly distribute हो जाएंगे, and whenever you take the sample of piece from anywhere, you will find that the molecular ratio of solid and gas phase, it becomes maybe similar or maybe in the perfect definite thing. So you can say that when initially that adsorbed molecules are enter into bulky phase and takes place the reaction, and then it distribute uniformly in whole bulk. That phenomenon is considered as absorption. As for example, we will find that exactly a chalk stick. We will take a one chalk stick dipped in ink, aqueous solution of ink or dilute solution of ink, that is ink solution we will take in beaker. हमने बीकर में एक इंक, ब्लू कलर की इंक का सॉल्यूशन लिया है और उसके अंदर हम एक चॉक स्टिक डिप्ट करते हैं इस तरीके से. डिप्ट करने के बाद आफ्टर सम टाइम्स फॉर 3 मिनट आई विल टेक आउट फ्रॉम हियर. मैं उसको ब्रेक करता हूं इन टू पार्ट्स में उसको ब्रेक करता हूं. एंड देन आई विल फाइंड, यू कैन सी इन द फिगर, जरा बड़ा करके दिखाता हूं आपको, देन यू कैन अंडरस्टूड एग्जैक्टली वेरी वेल व्हाट विल द हैपन. ये जो इस साइड का सरफेस है, आई विल फाइंड हियर, यू कैन से हियर और यू कैन सी हियर दैट blue ink particles or dye particles, blue dye particles, you will find that attracted towards surface, and the total surface area, this total surface area becomes covered by blue color, blue dots, or it is becomes totally blue. But the inner side of the chalk stick, you will find this round. That inner side becomes with the water, H2O, because it is an aqueous solution of dye, blue dye of water, blue dye in water, and that's why what happened here, you will find that the water molecules becomes present, and that part or that white part becomes weight with the water molecule. You will find here some water molecules are also there, that is the solution of dye. So here in that case you can consider that the between or middle part becomes weight and white color, and the outer surface becomes blue color or totally covered by the blue color, in which you can consider that on the chalk stick blue color dye particle becomes adsorbed, ADSORPTION, adsorbed, but the water molecules or water particles are go inside the bulk, and whole bulky phase becomes weight with the water, and you will find that it distributed uniformly in the whole bulk, and you can say that the water is absorbed, ABSORPTION, absorbed in this chalk stick. This both of phenomenon takes place simultaneously at a time. When the dye molecules are attracted on the surface of chalk stick, at a time some water molecules go inside in the bulky phase and make a uniform mixture, and that's why water molecules you will find as absorbed in chalk stick, and dye molecules are adsorbed on the surface of chalk stick, and that both of phenomenon takes place simultaneously, or you can say that this both phenomenon are at a time. This type of phenomenon with the different two molecules is considered as sorption. So what is sorption? With the reference to adsorption, it is surface phenomenon, but with reference to absorption, it makes a uniform mixture, not only limited for the surface area. You can consider that is the surface, that is non-surface phenomenon. So absorption is non-surface phenomenon, while is adsorption is the surface phenomenon. So what is the actual difference between adsorption and absorption? that you can understood. One more example we will take, and that you can understood very well. Suppose we will take two different things, that silica gel. आपने देखा है कि मोल्स और वगैरह के बाहर लाइक छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स, कलरिंग पार्टिकल्स मिलते हैं, एंड व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग इन वाटर देन इट बिकम्स स्वोलन इन कलर डिफरेंट पार्टिकल लाइक दिस. और आप लोग वो फेंगशुई का बांबू लगाते हैं, तो बांबू के आसपास आप सिलिका जेल भर के रखते हैं. यू कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली पोर्ड वाटर, बिकॉज अगर एक्सेस वाटर हो गया तो जो रूट्स है दैट बिकम्स इतने वेट हो जाएंगे, वाटर से इतने स्वेट हो जाएंगे कि वो पूरा आपका जो पौधा है, बांबू है, इट बिकम्स सॉफ्टन एंड वो सड़ के खलास हो जाएगा. और अगर बिल्कुल वाटर नहीं मिला तो वो ड्राइड अप हो जाएगा, सूख जाएगा. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ वाटर सम पर्सन टेक्स विद दिस बाम्बू ट्रीज, ये जो बाम्बू ट्रीज के अलग अलग बंच होते हैं जिसको वो बाइंड करके रखते हैं, बाइंड टुगेदर. दिस सम रूट्स आर देयर एंड दैट रूट्स exactly they're dipped in the silica gel. That is that round molecules or that is considered as silica gel, SiO2. In this silica gel some water is added, or sometimes 15 or 1 month तक अगर आपने वाटर ऐड नहीं भी किया तो it will absorb water from the humid air. And what happened that this water molecules are absorbed on the silica gel, and that becomes what happened, that a root of bamboo tree easily catch the water from the surface area of silica gel and it will grow. The sufficient water is obtained from the adsorbed water molecule on the silica gel. So you can say that on the surface of silica gel, water vapor or humid molecule becomes adsorbed. But the other things you are take in porcelain, you will take a calcium chloride powder form or crystalline, that you will take this calcium chloride CaCl2 and you just added the water, or you will pour into humid atmosphere. Then humidity or water vapor becomes first adsorbed on the surface and they go inside in the bulb, and finally you will find that it becomes absorbed in the calcium chloride. And whenever you take the small sample, you will find the ratio of water molecule and calcium chloride becomes constant, because it forms like this reaction CaCl2, that is a anhydrous calcium chloride. This anhydrous calcium chloride, you will find that CaCl2 anhydrous comes in contact with the water vapor, gaseous or a liquid form. Then what happened? CaCl2 dot H2. This dot H2 is indicate the crystalline water. It is in hydrous form. So this type of reaction takes place, and you will consider that on the calcium chloride, water vapor becomes absorbed, and on the surface of silica gel it becomes adsorbed. So what is the actual difference between adsorption and absorption, that you can understood very well. Now the mechanism or action how to adsorption takes place, that we will find in our next episode. Okay, good day, very well.